Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new Minecraft PSP update video. And in this video we will be discussing the changes made in version 20w4c. In version 20w4c we have added a few more blocks, including some with custom models such as cactus and torch, and quite a few more. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. And as before, let's get straight into the actual game itself. As you guys notice, when you scroll left and right, you will now have a few more features, a few more blocks such as cactus, torches, pressure plates, among a few others that I have yet to mention. This update also fixes bugs with some blocks, including the dispenser block, which for some reason was incorrect, alongside bugs with path and the farmland block, which both were not being correctly rendered. I've also added wheat and crop type blocks into this game. I have also added the crosshairs that you're seeing on the screen right now, which properly mimic the effect of Minecraft Java Edition, and these will make it a lot more easy for you to see what you're placing. As you guys have seen, I have updated quite a bit over the last few days, with adding a lot of blocks to the game. Now, adding blocks to the game, while not necessarily the hardest task, is very time-consuming and very repetitive. Naturally, I do not wish to add every single block into the game as of this moment, as that will take me probably another 4 to 6 hours. Having already spent a very considerable amount of time on the many blocks that we do have in the game, I like to go ahead and move on to version 0.4 pre-release 1, which hopefully will be out by this weekend. In version 0.4 pre-release 1, you will be able to start generating terrain alongside creating worlds. And while there certainly is more to be added to this game, currently I'm a little bit bored with adding more and more blocks to the game, and now that I have a sufficient base to get started with, I see no reason as to not take this opportunity to go ahead and add terrain generation. I've really started to like this development cycle where I can start adding more and more updates day by day, and it really helps me to continue on and add more and more content to this game and speed up the development quite considerably. In the future, I will be doing daily updates, or nearly daily, depending on my schedule and how things work out during the days, alongside a weekly recap video, which will generally be the pre-release or full release depending on what the week is, and I'll push these nightly snapshots onto the launcher every single day so that you may enjoy the newest and latest and greatest of features in the game. Another thing to note before I end this video is that for some reason the version 0.3 Minecraft PSP installer is coming up to a few antiviruses as a Trojan. I've looked into this and found that the Trojan code that it is giving is a very common false flag, which would make sense. But as a precaution, I've also added the installer script, which you can find in a gist below in the description. This installer script is all that is added to the installer, alongside some of the files that are needed for it to work. It clearly is not trying to infect your computer, and if you so wish, I can still provide downloads for a copyright version of the game. So if you guys have made it this far, you are quite in the minority, so please smash that like button, comment and subscribe. I'd like to hear your feedback about the new development plan, and I hope you guys have had a great day.